Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to allow microphone access in Loom Video. Without any further ado, let's get started. But first, take a look at the top of your browser window where you can see your URL. Just before the URL, you'll notice a settings icon that looks like a line with a circle on it. Go ahead and click on this icon. This is your site permissions control, and it gives you access to all the privacy and access settings for the current website you're viewing. Once you click on that icon, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Site Settings. This will open up a more detailed panel where you can control what permissions Loom has on your browser, including access to your camera, microphone, and other features. Now, scroll through the settings until you find the microphone option. This is the setting that controls whether Loom can access your microphone for recording audio in your videos. It's essential for creating videos with voice narration, so you'll want to make sure it's enabled. Next to the microphone option, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal the available permission options. From the list that appears, select Allow. By doing this, you're granting Loom permission to use your microphone whenever you're recording a video on their platform. This ensures your audio will be captured properly during your recordings. And that's it. You've successfully allowed microphone access in Loom, and now you can record videos with clear audio narration. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.